In today's video, I'm going to teach you digitalize your stand-up while Huddle or daily morning meetings with Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll have a lightweight, repeatable setup that keeps your team aligned and makes updates quicker and more transparent. First, head to Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your work account. Think of Loop as a flexible, shared canvas where content lives as components that stay in sync across apps. It's perfect for fast-moving stand-ups because everyone can contribute in real time without switching tools. Next, create a new workspace dedicated to your team's huddles. Give it a clear, recognizable name so people can find it quickly. This workspace becomes your single home for daily notes, decisions, and action items. Keeping it separate from project work helps you avoid clutter and makes past huddles easy to reference. Instead of starting from scratch, open the template gallery and pick a ready-made option like Scrum Stand-Up or Meeting Notes. These give you proven sections such as yesterday's progress, today's plan, and blockers. Customize the wording so it matches how your team speaks, and add any context you review frequently, like links to dashboards, sprint goals, or definitions of done. Remove any placeholders you won't use to keep the page focused and fast to scan. To bring it into the meeting, embed it in Microsoft Teams. In your Teams meeting invite, use the Add an Agenda option to insert a loop component that everyone can edit before or during the huddle. Share settings matter here. Make sure participants in your organization can edit so no one is blocked. Encourage teammates to pre-fill their updates ahead of time. That way, the live meeting stays short and focused on clarifications, blockers, and decisions. When it's time to track blockers and decisions, use loop components to speed things up. A voting table is great for quick consensus. List options, capture brief pros and cons, and have the team vote. For follow-ups, switch to a task list so ownership is crystal clear. Assign an owner, add a due date, and include a brief next step. As tasks are completed, mark them done so progress is visible across days. Finally, once your page layout feels right, save it as a custom template. Name it clearly and reuse it for every huddle. This creates consistency, shortens setup time, and makes trends easier to spot over time. With this approach, your stand-ups become predictable, action-oriented, and documented, all powered by Microsoft Loop.